So anyway, I had reservations in advance to go to Dallas. So I even found a hotel up there for one night. So I decided I can't stay in San Antonio no more. Guess why? Hotel that I was in, they needed the rooms. They were booked. They told me, we can't extend you for tonight. Because I asked, I said, can I stay another night? They said, not tonight, but you can come back tomorrow night, but it'll be $125 more than you paid last night. And I said, okay, never mind. I'll just go to Dallas. So I left, and I ended up in a place in Dallas at the Marriott Suites in the medical center area. Now, this place was, I don't know, $175 for a night, and the heat index was over 100. And I get there, and I find out that I didn't check hot wire close enough, and I had to pay $15 to park the car on top of the $175, and they checked me in around 4 in the afternoon. But I digress, because on the way there, I decided I was going to get Starbucks. So I decided to order off the app. And I swear to God, I ordered like a $7 coffee or whatever it was. And I hit the directions button because it was only supposed to be 1.5 miles away after I ordered. And Google Maps took me in circles again like it did. And all was around was like shopping centers. But this was supposed to be a Starbucks with a drive-thru. I drove around, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. It's on your right. Don't see it. Go 100 yards. Pull a U-turn. It's on your left. Don't see it. Turn right. Turn left. Don't see it. After about 15 or 20 minutes, I said, screw it. You can have the $7. I ain't doing this no more. I'm not ordering it till I see the Starbucks sign from now on. And I just headed on down the road. So now we come into Dallas. I check into this hotel since I digressed back to the Starbucks. Embrace the chaos. Life is an adventure, you know. So I check in at 4 o'clock. I get in a room with 73 degrees in there. I lower the temperature down to like 71. The next hour, I look at 75. I said, well, this isn't working. So I lower it down to 69. I call down the front desk and say, hey, you know, my room, I must not have this air conditioning figured out because it's not getting any cooler in here. Oh, no, sir. The building is without air conditioning. Every place in the building has no air. But we have people working on it. It'll be fixed in an hour. No problem. Hour goes by. Now it's 78. I'm getting flashbacks from Sharonville, you know. No air conditioning. But I didn't even have power in Sharonville. At least you got lights on here and it's still daylight. So I call again. It'll be done in an hour. 11 o'clock. It'll be done in an hour. I swear it's like a parrot answers the phone down there. Done in an hour. Done in an hour. We'll have it back in an hour. What the So, anyway, I go to bed. It's hot. When I wake up the next morning, it is cool. It came on in the middle of the night and cooled the place back down. So now, I go down, and I had to pay the $15 to park the car. And as I'm checking out, I complained a little bit. And said, I'll get some sort of credit. At $175 a night, you ought to have air conditioning. It's a first-class place. 4-star hotel. They said, okay, and they gave me 5,000 points on my Marriott Bonvoy card. And that 5,000 points probably get me a night somewhere else, they said. So, okay. So I go out to pick up the car that I paid $15 to park for. It looked like a squadron of geese saw a bathroom sign on that car. I'm telling you, it had bird poop from front to back. The windows were so bad, I had to go back in the hotel, get paper towels and wet them, and come out and wash the windows so I could even see through. The side windows, I couldn't see through. I parked under a tree, and the birds just blew it away. I parked under a tree not for the shade. It was the only place left. I guess the smart people said, I ain't parking under that tree. I did that once before. So the ones that cleaned their windows yesterday, they moved. Yeah, I got it. I love it. Embrace the chaos. Here we go again. So anyway, I check out of this place. And when I check out of this place, I go to see my cousin Nola, who is in Dallas. And she said, well, where are you going to stay? I said, I have no idea. I'll just hotwire it and I'll find some place. She said, no, we're going to find you a place, right? So she called around, and found a place, and I booked one night under Hotwire to see if I liked it. Well, it was a nice place. It was really nice. I had a week to kill. So the front desk said, well, we don't have any more rooms. We're booked up. But I went on the Hotwire, and I extended my stay at a good rate. So the front desk doesn't have any rooms, but Hotwire was able to book me. Pro tip, I'm not pro, but I found out a little trick there. If they say they don't have any rooms, it might be because they promised them the Hotwire. So I went and got the same type of room for another week. And it wasn't cheap either. It was basically $1,100 for a week. Hotel rates in the U.S. right now are off the charts. It wasn't that special of a room, but it is what it is. So I hung out in that place, got some work done, got some much needed rest because it was really stressful getting out of the house. And I'm waiting on July 4th to get out of the country. But I have one more room move to make because I rented from a Sheraton 4 Points hotel. I'm here very close to the Dallas-Fort Worth airport that had an airport shuttle. I did not want to miss this flight. So in case my rental car ended up with a dead battery or flat tire or something like that, I did not want to take any chances. So I moved for one night to this hotel so that I could prevent any problems because they have a shuttle to take you to the airport if anything goes wrong. Well, that was a nice room at the Sheraton. Very pretty. Only problem is when you flush the toilet the first time, it doesn't refill up the bowl. Here at the 4 Point Sheraton, they had this little toilet. Must have been built for kids. It's so low to the ground. But that's not the issue. This is the Mark Hanna. Day before. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I leave for my flight at 11. I come in. It flushes, but it doesn't refill the tank. Now, this is a really nice place. So, what do you have to do? So here we got more toilet problems. So far, I've left the house. I've had air conditioning problems twice. Now here's the toilet problems twice in 2 weeks. And I don't know how many hotels we went through now. This is probably Hotel 7 or something. I don't know. I'm floating around here trying to get out of the country. By the way, I'm making this video right now outside the United States. So hurrah, I did make it somewhere. Well, you get here and you starts refilling the tank. Nothing like $150 a night, and you have to tap on the toilet to get it to work. Stay tuned for where if you don't already know. So, I told the front desk that the toilet doesn't flush. And, you know, it is what it is. So the next morning, I get up, and it's 4 a.m., and I'm getting ready for a flight, and that's where I'm going to stop this video right now. And the next video, it's going to pick up where I get out of this country and where I'm going to. So if you haven't subscribed, I'm going to build this channel up because I'm going to come up with some interesting stuff, because nothing about my life is not going to be full of chaos and adventure. Believe me, it seeks me out like a heat-seeking missile, or a fat-seeking missile, I guess. But it just, all I can say is I'm making this from a foreign country, and the air conditioning works. Go foreign country. So, like, subscribe, check it off, whatever. Thanks for watching. My saga will continue. Good day, good night, good evening, whatever. Have a great day.